Looking for a healthy dinner that's quick and full of flavor? Let's make a colorful diet veggie bowl. Ready in just 20 minutes. Ingredients. You'll need 200 grams of chicken breast, 1 red bell pepper, 1 yellow bell pepper, broccoli, carrot, zucchini, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of honey, juice of half a lemon, olive oil, salt, black pepper, and a sprinkle of sesame seeds. Step 1. Marinade. Mix the chicken with soy sauce, lemon juice, and honey. Let it sit for 10 minutes so it soaks up the flavor. Step 2. Veggies. Chop all the vegetables into bright, colorful pieces. The more colors, the better. It should look like a rainbow. Step 3. Roast. Toss everything with olive oil, salt, and pepper. Roast for 20 minutes until golden and fragrant. Step 4. Serve. Plate your chicken and veggies, then finish with sesame seeds on top. And there you have it, a light, healthy dinner that's quick, fresh, and so satisfying. Try it tonight and make your table a little more colorful.